Embracing the uniqueness of us, Jamaicans. It's time to focus on rebuilding the nation and reigniting the sparks that unite us. Yes, it's fireworks on the waterfront 2022. Let's check out some of the highlights.
This year we want to have a better life, more peace in our community, and have a prosperous adventure moving forward.
Wishing for a crime-free 2023 in Jamaica and love and prosperity to all and everyone. More life, more money.
My wish is for peace all over the world, especially in Europe, here in Jamaica. And I'm having a lot of fun in Jamaica. It's very nice. The architecture is much different than the U.S., so I'm really enjoying it a lot. And this is just a bonus on top of everything else. So Happy New Year to everybody.
My wish is to improve our restaurants for the new year coming.
And what's your wish for Jamaica?
Well, wish for the crime and violence to stop.
Happy New Year, Jamaica! We ask that each one of you continue to lift up the nation and rebuild Jamaica land